If you're thinking about opening a new Etsy store but are worried about listing fees, so don't worry. Etsy has provided us with an offer that allows us to have as many as free listings on our shop. Etsy is a marketplace with a large audience where everyone wants to showcase their multiple products to their respected audience and take advantage of a large audience to increase revenue, but many sellers are afraid of losing money by posting multiple products for 20 cents. So in this video, I will show you how to save a lot of money by listing items on Etsy for free, so please watch the entire video to understand this trick. So let's get started. This is the Etsy policy page where you can earn a free listing. This is a referral process. You must invite people to join Etsy using your referral link. If someone opens a new store, you and that person will both receive a 40 free listing. That means you save $8 on a single referral, which is fantastic. And if you plan to open multiple stores, you can get free listings for your new store as well. Please make sure, in order to get the 40 free listings, the people you refer must open their shop directly from your referral link. Guys, the best part about this program is that you never have to renew these listings. Unlike regular listing programs that cost 20 cents every 4 months, these listings are free forever. Let's see how we can generate the link. To do so, click here. I'll include this link in my description box as well. As you can see, it is displaying my store referral link here. You must share this with the people. If they open a new store using your link, you and those people will receive a free listing. Let me copy this link and show you how it works. It is mentioned here that if you open a store using the link, you will receive a free 40 listing. If you want more free listings, then you must share this link on Etsy Facebook groups and other social media platforms so that you and others can get benefit from this program. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel.